Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A96, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So first you should hold for a while your device screen, and here you'll see the transitions section. Tap once here. Now we can see that we have selected the default one, and you can just see all of these transitions here and select one from them. For example, I'll go with the real one. After that, just to save the changes, click on the button here on the home button, and now you can see that we just successfully changed our home screen animation on our device. By the same way, if you want to just change it to the default one, go here to the transitions, switch it to the default, and now you can see that we just successfully changed it to the regular animation. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.